I grew up wanting to be an animator, and the 15 years doing it, I was drawing cars for fun. And to design for Spectre, it's literally a dream come true. I'm Marco Lee, the creative director at Spectre Vehicle Design. We're building a car based on the Mini, but we're trying to put our own spin on it. Yeah, our unique perspective.
I remember having this idea after seeing a wooden fruit bowl at a furniture shop, and I thought it would be perfect for the interior of the Mini. It always goes back to keeping things simple. Simple shapes, simple lines, simple experiences, simple pleasures. So just very simple shapes. It's like you take a ball and you cut it, it becomes a level deeper in terms of complexity. And I try not to go too many levels too deep. The most difficult part was probably trying to get it mounted into the car. What we've come up with is this dash bracket. The Spanish architect Antoni Gaudi really influenced me in the way he uses organic shapes in his structures. So for the first 10 cars, the launch editions, we're really going to take advantage of the lumber industry we have here and the woods we can choose from. This particular piece is white ash, sourced from Vancouver Island actually. And it's very distinctive. It's like the rest of the car where you look at it once and you know exactly what it is. What I aim to do with the first 10 launch edition cars is to really set the tone of what our company is going to be about aesthetically. I want to convey that depth that you sometimes see in people. You meet them, but you know there's way more. Yeah, and that's what I kind of want the cars to look like. I would hope that Azagonas would be happy with what we've done, because it's a truly internationally loved car.